are coming. Sometimes you feel alone, but hold on, better days are coming.